This fitting guide is for the TV01 and TV02. First, remove the headrest from the driver's side seat. Take care as the stalks can have grease on them. Take the headrest cover and pull it over the top of the headrest. Once it's on, you can secure it with the hook and loop fastenings. Next, take the driver's side cover and pull it over the top of the seat. Once it's over the top, make sure to pull it down tight. Secure the cover underneath the headrest fixings. And then locate this tab, which you'll tuck through to the back of the seat. This holds the cover in place. Pull the cover down and around the sides of the seat before sliding it behind the seat adjuster. Once you've got the cover securely behind the plastic, you can begin to secure the hook and loop. It should look like this when it's finished. On the side of the cover there is a bolt rope which you can tuck in underneath the plastic housing. At this stage the cover should look like this. You can now put the first headrest back in. Next, take the armrest cover and slide it over the top of the armrest. This is again secured with hook and loop fastenings. For the middle seat, you'll want to take this tab and pull it through the hole in the cover, before pulling the cover round the front and sides of the seats. Secure the hook and loop, and you can now close this seat. Next, lower the back part of the middle seat and loop the cover over the top of it. Secure the hook and loop around the top of the seat . Next, you'll want to pull the cover down around the side of the seat, making sure you can access it from the bottom. That way, once the seat is in the downward position, you can pull the hook and loop fastenings through at the back and attach them at the side. There are also hook and loop fastenings on the other side of the seat. You can now put this seat back up. Remove the final headrest. Remember to be mindful of grease on the stalks. As before, pull the headrest cover over the headrest and attach the hook and loop fastenings. This cover is thrown over the top of the seat as if you're putting on a jacket. It is tucked in around the headrest fixings at the top of the seat. The cover is fed behind the seat belt and is secured using the hook and loop fastenings at the back. Pull the cover down before reaching through to the back of the seat to pull through the hook and loop fastenings. These are then attached to keep the cover secure. You can now put in the final headrest. Your seats are now fully protected.